Creation Drama Studio, and I'm here to tell you all about our upcoming summer workshops taking place in Barcelona this August. First of all, we have our Young Filmmakers workshop. That's for 10 to 18-year-olds. In this workshop, you'll learn all about what goes on behind the camera, from directing to script writing to art direction, camera and lighting. We also have our SHOWREEL week. This is also for 10 to 18-year-olds. This workshop is great for any young actors who are looking to take their career in acting to the next level. So for any young people who are looking to get an agent or start going to castings for commercials, film and TV. At the end of the week, they will have a full showreel prepared and edited for them. We also have our Young Actors Summer Workshop. This is our original workshop. This is for students aged 6 to 10 years old. In this workshop, the students learn all about the fundamentals of acting and performance. And then at the end of the week, they will star in their very own short film. This summer, we'll be limiting our groups to 6 to 10 children per workshop. There will also be special health and hygiene regulations in place to ensure the health and safety of our students and our teachers. If you have any questions or if you would like any further information, just send us an email to info@creationdramastudio.com.